Welcome to the Markowitz, Fenelon and Bank LLP video blog.
So, many owners can do everything if they wanted to. You could be your own bookkeeper, you could pay your own bills, you can do all of that, just like I can unclog my toilet. But the plumber should really be trying to stick to, how does he grow his business? How does he make sure that his bills are taken care of, his suppliers are taken care of, and his bills are going out? Many of the tradesmen, be it your plumber, your electrician, all those sorts, they're really good at what they do. They can install a great toilet, they can run lines for you, and do a great job of it. But normally they're not very focused on their cash flow. They're focused on, do I have enough to pay my bills tomorrow? They're not focused on their longer term cash flow. So making sure that you have somebody who's always looking at that in real time is very helpful to people, so that we can take that information, we get the information in real time. We know that you're behind with your suppliers. Maybe you're taking too much out of the business, and those hard conversations need to be had, that we can't always take what we want out of our business. Sometimes you have to leave it in. Your suppliers have to come first, because if your suppliers don't come first, next time you have a job, you're not going to be able to get the materials that you need to do so. Well, thankfully, it is something that is easy for us to tailor. We can do as much or as little as the business owner would prefer. When you look at many business owners, their lives have many different challenges, whether it's making sure that their employees and their families have health insurance and pensions, to being able to manage multiple businesses or investment properties. So with client accounting services, we can do as much or as little as the client prefers. From the bill paying perspective, we're able to, again, do as much or as little as the client prefers. We have some clients who have all of their invoices get mailed directly to us. So we actually take the invoices, set them up for payment, and the client actually physically pays them, but we have everything set up for them. Same thing with their billings. We have a number of clients who we do their monthly billing for them. So if you're a cleaning service and you've got 20 different buildings that you clean, we can actually do the monthly invoicing for the client and do the receipts for them, so that they know, number one, that their bills are going out correctly, their bills are going out timely, and we're allocating the receipts to the correct client. We also have a number of clients that we go into and we do CEO services. So we are actually physically on site at the client for a number of hours a week to help them manage whatever it is, be it staffing, be it the health insurance, or just internal procedures, to make sure that the client is operating as they should. Well, there are a couple of benefits to it. Number one, it actually lowers the year-end accounting. So if we've been doing it all year round, we know what the numbers are. We've seen how they're allocated. So it actually cuts down on the year-end bills from us, which is a benefit. But just from the benefit of knowing what your receivables are, knowing what your payables are, and getting in the practice of sending out statements, making sure that your receipts are in, and reviewing your accounts receivable, is just something that many business owners are just not good at. And so making sure that you're following up on your receivables makes it so that you have the cash flow to either pay your accounts payable, or take a better salary, or have a better lifestyle. So those are all things that we try to make sure that are being looked after in the client accounting services.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel.